Hi guys, it's Kay Swanson with Art Impressions, and I'm here to show you our new 2018 Flutters for fall and winter holidays, as well as some great everyday designs. So we have got 5 new sets. We've got our cats and our puppies. We've got our bat, I'm simply Batty for you. We've got our reindeer flutter set, as well as our Santa flutter set, whose arms and legs move. And these are so fun. They are made with a couple of brads, some string, and just some foam tape. And that's all it takes. All the stamps and dies are included in these sets, and you also get some brads to get you started. We've got that cute Santa, as well as I love these puppies with their really sweet little tails, just flapping because they're so happy to see you. We've got lots of great images for these, and they make such fun card samples. A great interactive card for all of your friends, and really quick and easy to make. We've got some tutorials on our YouTube channel, so make sure to check those out and grab your flutters today at artimpressions.com.